President of our MSWD. Let us give her a round of applause to Ma'am Jeneline Lanaria, RS Davao. Okay, palakpakan natin siya.
Naigda lang, per. Mata naigda na.
Wala daw ba